My name is Peace Nkoma. I'm proud to be a student here in DMI St John the Baptist University in Blantyre, as I've been taken on an incredible journey of learning and growth. This is my friend Jerry. He too is on this wonderful journey alongside me. Together, we've experienced the warmth of the school's community and support of our teachers. From engaging classes to diverse extracurricular activities, every day here is filled with excitement and opportunities to explore our interests. DMI is committed to educating all through its program, Digital Skills for All. The university provides access to cutting-edge resources such as robotics drone technology, augmented reality, virtual reality, 3D printing, and STEM lab. Thank you for taking a glimpse of my incredible journey through this incredible university.